Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you find friends on KakaoTalk without ID. So at first, just go to the KakaoTalk app. Now in the KakaoTalk app, click on the top right, the middle icon here, this one. After clicking it, here you can see the first option is QR code. By clicking it, you can just scan the QR code of your friend and you can just add them to your friend list. And the second option here is add by contacts. Click on it. Now in this option you can just add your friend's phone number and add them to your KakaoTalk friend, and it will be automatically added to your friend list. So guys, that's how you can add friends in KakaoTalk without ID. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.